behind you spread.
I mean, that wouldn't be a bad idea. You try to drag it first.
Okay.
Um.
And what I was gonna say, if you know, spreading these buck oats, and then I can be behind you spreading this turnip seed.
Oh, I can be behind you spreading the buck oats, and I spread the turnip seed.
Okay, either way. I'm just saying, man.
I'm running this show, not you.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Then we got to do this shit our personal house there. Well, them of us don't know what they're doing either. Trying to do.
Yeah. So, like I said, you could just, oh, something in my boot. Just fill that up with some seed.
Okay, what it said.
And by the time you do that, hopefully I ran over this cup time and just, then I'll tell you how to put it on and that thing, type thing. I would have thought the same thing, but until I went out there and kicked it and seen it was soft.
Okay then.
Like I said, I just wanted to knock down the ridges and try to get it a little bit smoother for that seed to
get to the ground and get where it needs.
Yeah, make it just, when we drag it, it won't go in, some seed won't go in a deep hole and the other seed go be up on the top, you know. So,
now, them clumps don't have to worry about those, huh?
Yeah, I mean, we can't do nothing about them grass clumps.
Yeah, them grass.
They'll rot down, but right now,
it'll be all right on top of it.
yeah, they'll work their way up on there.
Okay.
So,
it's on the back.
This is not how you do this. A lot of people do it that way, but it's not the way that the people say.
I know right.
Cause when you,
so you put it in the front of you.
When you put it up on you, you got to hook it right here on the side. On the side right here. It just lays up in there on the side of it.
Okay then.
Cause that way it'll keep up here. But if not, if you put it up here, it'll be on your neck, pulling your neck down. If you have a lot of seed in there, you don't want that pulling on your neck. So I know I'm gonna have to lift it up.
Alright.
That way it feels comfortable on you.
And you got a good setting already, or it don't need no setting?
Well, this little go in the center, and this is the opening setting, you know, to let how much seed out. So you just figure it out when you're walking. And you might, be able to play with it. Like I said, because you go this side, gonna be turning, and this side you open the seed opening.
Okay, what did you say the switch up here for?
It's this one right here in the middle. This one you can set to shoot all to the right or shoot all to the left or in the center. Right now it'll shoot both ways.
What we want. Yeah.
That's what I got set on.
All right. Now I don't walk too close to the edge. Just.
Yeah, I mean when you start turning, you can see the seeds shoot out, and don't shoot the seeds in the woods, cause that's not gonna do us any good. So.
Right. Okay.
And I'm gonna be coming behind you with these. You say turnip seeds, right?
Yeah, turnip seeds.
I guess he'll be all right. He got a 50-pound bag of seed. I'm just helping Stan out this morning to get his food plot in, because there's a good chance it's gonna rain this weekend. And if I don't help him, when I get to mine, he gonna want me to do his while I'm doing mine. So I'm gonna do his first thing this morning. It's Saturday morning. It's 8 o'clock. That's the first thing we're gonna do. So he got turnip seeds right here. He want me to go behind him with. So. He don't know how to step it up. Gotta double time it. Go up like this, jump with it. Up. Sometimes the seeds will get caught in there.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna stop.
Yeah. And make sure when you're throwing out seed, pick up all the rocks, stumps, tree limbs, everything you find. For the next time, won't be as many there, especially rocks. All right, that's why we never put all the seed out at the first time. I'm talking to the guys on YouTube. Tell them never put, when you got small seeds like this, never put them all in your spreader at one time and go work, because you always run out. So if you don't save some, you'll be half food plot without them. And you got enough seed, man, you can open that up.
Okay.
Open it up, let them come out.
Right here.
So that way I prop up there.
All the way up. All the way up. Yeah, you see all the way this way.
Yeah, when you get down there.
Okay.
Step it up. Just enough.
Did I go this way?
Yeah, I mean, you go back over it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, he's got probably half of this bag on it already. I mean, this plot probably a little bit over 1/4 acre. But we're gonna put this seed on heavy just in case the rain is not as much as we think it is. Maybe some of the seed will survive after that or not. You know, like I said, if it doesn't rain if it gets a little sprinkle here today or tomorrow, and it don't rain for another week, some of these seeds might be in trouble. So hopefully we put it on thick. Some of them will survive when it do start raining good. You tired yet?
No, I'm good.
I forgot Stan is probably the most healthiest guy in the club. Probably one of the oldest guys in the club. Probably the most healthiest.
Getting it done.
Cause you didn't have another spot you want to do something with, did
Oh,
you?
no. So you think I put all these on this one spot?
Yeah, cause
Save something later.
ain't no reason to save nothing for later.
No, I mean another spot. Or...
I don't know what's your old spot down there gonna do.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. I don't know what he's gonna plant down there. I sure forgot about that.
Cause I don't know if they busted up or
I
not.
don't either.
I mean, this right here, it'll be enough to put something on it. It won't be as thick, but
and a little bit of help on it.
right. Plus I got some seed. I know I'm gonna have plenty of seed left over. Once you get through spreading that seed, I guess I go run over it with this drag here. This drag has seen better days. It needs to be redone, and I think I'm gonna redo it here after this food plot season, because it's just barely hanging on with some wire and some little U-bolt, and it needs to be redone. Well, we'll go ahead and start dragging. He's probably almost done.
Yeah, that looks good, man. I really appreciate that.
All right, Stan. I'm gonna tell you in front of YouTube.
Okay.
Get you 3 bags of fertilizer and 3 bags of lime and come throw it out here on this food plot.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Everybody, I want you to know I told Stan to put some fertilizer on this food plot.
Yes, sir.
Y'all witness to that, cause
Yes,
if he
yes,
don't, I can't guarantee it's gonna come up.
It's gonna get done. 10, 13.
Whatever, it don't matter. Just get some out here. Cause this food plot is not that old. Meaning we ain't put it in about 3 years ago, and last year we didn't plant it, so ain't nobody really did much to it.
We going to the other side, then we gonna go to yours.
No,
Let me help you do.
I ain't doing mine right now. Mine gonna take so long, I ain't got time to do it.
Okay, then.
Somebody wrote down here while we
I
was,
think that was Kenny. Had the blue shirt on.
so we can go look at that other food plot and just see if they done anything to it, which I doubt.
You got the drag.
Helping Stan out, cause y'all won't help that man, so.
Y'all put seeds down?
Mm-hmm.
Hand spread.
Yeah.
Put fertilizer too? That's what I was
That's what I told him. I said, make.
put no fertilizer.
He not one single drop.
Shit.
I told her, I said, Stan, I want you to put at least 3 bags of fertilizer on this thing and 3 bags of lime. Next time you come out here, I can't guarantee they're gonna do anything. That's exactly what I told him. So. None. I told him that the other week. I told him to get. Oh man, I didn't know it, we were gonna put him out this week.
Now I'm going to get it.
I said, you've been looking at the rain all week long, and now you don't know that we were gonna do something. Well, you were gonna do something.
He didn't want to spend the money putting it out.
That's what it is, cheap.
Yeah, cheap.
Did y'all bust that other food plot up down there that he hunt on down there with the?
Busted it up.
Oh, we'll go throw a couple seeds out on that one. Oh God. Yeah, cause that blend got some of everything in it.
Yeah, this is what he said was their best of that supply.
All right. You got a whole plot to do with one seeder now.
I need to change
Yeah, you need
output on it.
and step your walking up a little bit or something,
Okay, yeah.
I mean, it'd feel better to you if it was up under you.
Okay, up on my.
Up under your arm.
Yeah. Now you done changed it already?
No, it's closed right now. Right here.
You turn it this way?
Yeah, up. It's
All the way up.
all the way up. It's all the way open.
I know it. Do you want it right here?
Yeah, probably about halfway to see how much seed come out of there. Ain't nothing coming out that sun gun here. You gotta open it up because with that wheat and all that stuff in there, you just gonna have to walk like you mean it. And monitor your seed, jump around if you need to. This is Stan OG spot. This is where he started at. And he moved over to that other spot. We had lost this land for about 2 years and we just got it back this year, so. But it's not busted up. They used the all-purpose plow on this. And it's a lot of spots on it that ain't busted up too good, but it is what it is right now. That's all we can do. I don't want to take the tiller and till it up and he ain't got any more seed, so all the seed he's got left is in that spreader there. You gotta step it up, Stan. I see it's going about halfway. You still got a whole food plot to do. Let's get it, let's get it, let's go, let's go.
It's hard working on this stuff.
Get over in here a little bit. So that's some good little dirt right there busted up. And you probably want to head to the middle. I know you ain't did the middle yet.
I need 4 bags fertilizer.
Yeah, cause like I said, if
Don't
you
worry about no lime on this.
yeah, and all this stuff need lime on it.
Okay.
But if you can find some more seed, you might want to come throw it over top of it. But I just think cause we're light on the seed, so you know, I look at mine when I get finished, see how much I got left.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
You putting buckos out too, or what kind of seeds you putting out?
You know, I got some of everything.
Oh, yeah. There it is. It'll come up.
I got some of everything, so.
Different from last year, the farm.
Same thing, but I added on about 2 or 3 seeds. I ain't seen you in so long. Then you pull up on a King quad, 750. You want to race?
Hell no. Almost scared shit out of me.
I bet you do.
I'm about to trade it in, get me one of them.
Well, oh shit, I ain't got one of them. I said, I'll trade you. I ain't got them caliber eyes. You got them calibers. Got, oh yeah, that's 10 millimeters.
That's right.
But we'll try it again. Let me go get one of these rocks out of this creek. Oh. Let me add in one of them pins while you're right there. Pin real quick. Oh. Gotta go up. Let's see if she'll pick her up though. She's been struggling lately by picking stuff up. See, the only problem with establishing a new food plot, especially in a cutover, is all these little pieces of wood just everywhere, and you almost have to bring the rake in here and get all this stuff raked up, because you'll kill yourself trying to pick them up, throw them out one at a time. It just won't work that way. But like I said, this is probably good material going in the ground with all this wood, but it's going to take some time for it to rot out and just disappear basically. But that's how food plotting go, and if you want some food here, it's what you got to do to get it put in. Yeah, that's why I was just saying, that's the only way you're going to get that all this wood out is rake it. Because if you try to do it by hand, you're gonna be out here for the rest of your life. Yeah, throw something that's gonna grow pretty quick and grow on anything, you know, something you ain't gotta put a whole bunch of money in to begin with. Yeah, any kind of wheat and rye, something that'll grow on side of a brick. But like I said, a lot of this wood, it'll dang rot out, but you know, it's just gonna take time, yeah.